Hi everyone, it's Thuha and I'm back with another 1-minute hairstyle tutorial. I'll time myself as I do these hairstyles to show you just how quickly they are. I'm also hosting a giveaway for 2 sets of these trendy hair clips, so make sure to stay until the end to learn how to win them. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel for more hair videos, and without further ado, let us get started. The first hairstyle is a twin Topsy half do. Let's start the timer. To begin, you're going to divide your hair in half from the back. On one side, sweep a small section from the front to the middle of the back and tie this off with a thin elastic. Then, you're going to make a hole in the middle of this little ponytail and flip your hair inward to create a Topsy tail. Repeat these steps to the other side. I'm going to speed this up a bit, and I'll make sure to speed up the timer too. Once you have both of your Topsy tails, you are done! This hairstyle only took 45 seconds. It's very anime inspired, it's cute, it's playful, and it looks great with a statement accessory. Next, we have a side knotted pony. You have layered hair like mine, then start by twisting one side of your hair to the other side so all of the short hair stays in one place. When you get to the other side, divide your hair into 2 sections and tie them like how you would with a knot. Tighten the knot and use a thin elastic to secure your ponytail just a few inches below. Fix your hair to your liking, and that's it! Can you believe this hairstyle only took 35 seconds? It's so easy and polished. Okay, let's move on to our last hairstyle, a droopy bun half do. Start by grabbing your top crown and tie it in the back with a thin elastic. On the last loop, only pull part of your hair through to get a bun. Tighten this a bit and then wrap the ends of your hair around the base. Use a bobby pin to secure this in place, and this look is complete. This hairstyle took 34 seconds. It's simple and laid back, and is a good look if you want something a little different. So there you go, 3 everyday hairstyles to try when you only have a minute to spare. These are perfect for those busy mornings. Now on to the giveaway. If you'd like to win a set of these Trio Magic hair clips, all you have to do is be a subscriber to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and then comment below which hairstyle was your favorite. I'm also hosting this giveaway over on my Instagram, so if you would like a second chance to win, feel free to head over there. All of the details will also be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Toodles!